everybody, today we're going to do a quick troubleshooting video for your Tin Soldier Safety Latches. So this is how your Tin Soldier Safety Latch should work properly. It should slide on and catch nicely and close all the way without the screw scraping down the top of the latch. So if your catch screw is screwed down too far, you're going to end up with a situation like this, where it scratches across the top of the latch and it's really stiff. And if it's down even farther, you'll end up with a situation like this, and your cabinet won't even close. So the way to solve that problem is to screw the catch screw up higher into the cabinet until it's about 1/8 of an inch. And then it should work properly. A little bit farther would be ideal, about right there. So that has it working properly again. Now the opposite problem, if you have it screwed up too high, then it won't catch at all. Even that just tried to catch. That's a little bit higher. And then it won't catch at all. So in that case, the way to solve that problem would be to lower it down a little bit until it catches properly and your cabinet can close all the way. Okay, and you should be able to just slide your fingers in there and release it. All right, I hope that helps.